Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Running Forward. Today I have a trending chart for you. This is for educational purpose only. This is not financial advice. As you can see, the chart we're looking at is Wayfair, ticker symbol W. The daily chart, after the earnings, the price gapped up and closed above the downtrending line. And after that, it started to consolidate and it found support near the bottom of this green candle on the 28th of October. And it went back up again. So I have this yellow line drawing here. What is that? Let's come to the weekly chart. So the yellow lines were the quadrant lines here. So I took the high back here. That was January of 2021. And the low over here, that's fairly recently, March this year. So as you can see that the price has bounced above the 20% quadrant line. And before that, you can see that it took a long time to form this bottom. And if we zoom in a little bit more, actually, remember, look at this red line here. These were the tops that it tried to break, or this time it tried to break through. It went through, but then it came back down because there was no support. And it tried several times, but wasn't successful. And then look at recently. This was the resistance. It went above it and came back down, tested it, and then went back up with very strong force, and then came back down to test the support. Unlike this time where it went above, but it couldn't find support, so the resistance was still there, so it went back down even more. But here, it went above the resistance area, came back, and found support near the resistance area. So it's forming a new trend on the weekly like this. Anyways, so this one, now that it has found support on the daily, and it has passed the 20% quadrant line on the weekly, the next target will be like over here, this high over here around $150 range. This will be the target after that. So, but if we just look at the potential from here to $150, that's over 34% potential gain. So this is another one where the risk and reward ratio is very good. If I get into the trade right now, which I don't recommend, I think the price action will still be around this range until it pull back to trend. Maybe it will test this support area again. But even if we get in here, you can see that our stop loss will be somewhere underneath this candle. That will be about 4 or 5% risk. So like I said, the risk and reward ratio on this one is good, especially if you look at the longer term trade. So that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you find some value in this video. Until next time, bye for now.